Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Match Betting Chronicles. And today I just wanted to show you a pre-game trade on Norwich that I'm doing that's going very, very badly. Now, I backed Norwich with a 200 stake at odds of 8.8, and they're playing away at Aston Villa. Now, the lay odds are about 10.5, although there's a big gap. But if I go on to Betfair, their lay odds are 10, and there's a small gap. So I think the real lay odds are about 10. But if I was to trade out now on Smarkets, I'd be taking a £32.39 loss, no matter what the result is. And this has surprised me a little bit. I know it's a bit dangerous to back the bottom team in the league. You know, it's a bit unpredictable, but I did think the odds were too high, really, and I'll show you my logic. If we're to open the table, first of all, now Norwich are bottom, but they are playing Aston Villa, who are in dreadful form at the moment. In the last 5 games, they've lost 4 and drawn 1. You know, they were doing quite well at the start of the season, but you know they've been in steady decline. So at the moment, you'd have thought the odds of 9 would be too high. And another thing is, the last away game Norwich had was against Manchester United, and Bet365 had them at decimal odds of 10. Okay, and I know Manchester United are not doing great at the moment, but you know, you'd expect Manchester United to be much more heavily backed against Norwich than Aston Villa. So, you know, Manchester United 6th in the league, and you'd expect them to beat Norwich. You know, you'd be more confident of them beating Norwich than Aston Villa at the moment, considering Aston Villa's form. So therefore I'd expect the back odds on Norwich to be much lower than they were against Manchester United, but that's not happened. And if we jump on Betfair and we look at the graph, I took them about here. It looked like the odds were shortening, so I didn't think I'd get 9. I thought the odds are already coming in. I took 8.8. It did go down a little bit, but since then it's just drifted, and it's just getting higher and higher. And maybe I should trade out now and cut my losses, but I still just can't see it going higher. I really can't see Norwich having higher odds than they were against Manchester United. Logically, that doesn't make sense to me, you know. So anyway, I'm going to stick with it and see what I can get on Saturday. I've still got another day for these odds to come down, but it does look like I won't be making any profit on this trade, and frankly, it looks like I'll be coming out with a loss. I'm still trying to figure out why this has happened, but at the end of the day, sometimes you can make a sound trade and it just doesn't go your way, because at the end of the day, no matter what I think, if more people are backing Aston Villa, their odds are going to come in. The odds of Norwich are going to drift, regardless of the logic. But at the end of the day, you can't win all your trades, and the most important thing is to win more than you lose. Anyway, thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.